In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upscale a low-quality image in Artistly AI. Once you're logged into Artistly AI, go to your dashboard and open the image editing or enhancement tool where the upscaling feature is available. Next, upload the low-quality image you want to improve. After it loads, select the upscale or enhance option depending on what your interface shows. If there are settings available, choose your preferred upscale level, such as 2x or 4x, or simply select High Quality Mode if that's what Artistly AI provides. Once everything is set, click Generate or Enhance and let the AI process your image. It will improve resolution, sharpen details, and reduce blur while keeping the original structure intact. After processing, review the upscaled image carefully to make sure details like faces, edges, and textures look more clear and natural. If needed, you can run the upscale again or combine it with minor in-painting fixes to clean up any remaining imperfections. Finally, download your enhanced high-resolution image. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.